Raw Milk Raids 2026, Why They're Criminalizing Real Food. Are armed raids on raw milk farms the 2025 war on real food? FDA targeting small dairies. Stick with me, this is nutrition criminalized. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's pour the truth. X videos show 2025 SWAT-style raids on Amish farms, milk dumped, farmers cuffed, for selling raw dairy. Here's the war, FDA claims safety, but pasteurization kills nutrients. Leaked memo, protect big dairy market share. Connect the dots, same agency approves GMOs and additives. Think it's health? Wrong. Raw milk drinkers report stronger immunity. Skeptical? Europe allows raw milk, lower illness rates. Why does this matter? Control what you feed your family. What can you do? Find local raw sources, support underground. Post raid videos on X. Share this video. Legalize raw milk. This is real food banned. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment, what's the biggest lie you're questioning?